What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to continue working on our 2020 Mustang GT. In last video, we did some body work, applied some body filler on some of the welded area, did some sanding, and finally we got the perfect body lines. And today we are just going to continue so that we can get ready for primer and then for paint. As you can see, our quarter panel welded area is completely done with the sanding and we have a perfect body lines. But we have one more place which is above the wheel. We have to sand this body filler, make it perfect same as other body filler and get the perfect body line. Once this one is done, we can go ahead, prepare for primer, and we will apply primer and get it ready for paint. So let's start with the sanding this area. So let's take some sandpaper and start sanding the body filler. As you can see, I applied some glaze on top of the body filler so we can fill all the pinholes and some imperfections. So I'm going to wait for it to completely dry and then we're going to sand it with 180 grit sandpaper. I have to apply some another coat of body filler around the edge because it was not straight. So we have to give body filler some time to get it completely dry, and then we're going to start sanding again. And hopefully it will be our last coat. It will be perfect. Okay guys, our body filler is completely dry, so we can go ahead and sand it down. Okay guys, finally we have finished with the bodywork, finished sanding all the body filler, also finished sanding with 180 grit sandpaper and 320 grit sandpaper. It means we are ready for primer. But before we do that, I'm going to clean up. I'm also going to mask off all the area, and then we will apply primer. Okay guys, as you can see, I have masked off all the areas. Only thing left is wax and grease, remove all the surface, and then we are good to go with the primer. So primer is dry enough, so we can go ahead and remove the masking. Today it's taking longer than usual for primer to get it dry because it's really cold outside. It's almost -8. As you can see, I have to put the heater over here. So I think that's all we're going to do it today. It's almost ready for the paint. So in next video, hopefully, I'm going to start painting the jam area. So this trunk area, I'm going to paint first, and then same thing for the door. I'm going to paint all of this first. Once that's painted, we can go ahead and we can paint the whole car from the outside. It took me lots of time to do the bodywork. It was not easy, especially in the cold, because I have to wait longer to everything to dry. Finally, we are finished with the bodywork. We applied body filler, did the sanding, did primer, everything. And finally, we are ready for a wet sanding of the primer, and then we will paint the car. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below. And if you want to see more video of Mustang GT, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time.